Once again, welcome my dear students to the second video of this week. And in this video, we are going to learn the do as directed questions of 1 mark each. Here, I had selected some questions from 1 to 10. Okay, there is question number 1. Then 2 and 3 is based on successor and predecessor. You can do it on. And 4th is also very easy. 5th number question I had taken, 6th taken, 7th taken, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so till 10 we are completing do as directed 1 mark each. So write the numeral name, number name for this number in Indian system. So first of all we can observe ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Then we can write here 2 lakh 34,587. We can write it as. Now the 5th number question is the number name of this number in international system. Now we will observe in internationally manner. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million and 10 million. So we can write it as 19 million. Okay, 376,000. 376,000. 504, 504. Okay. Now the 6th number question is write the first 5 even numbers. So we know that students that even number starts from 2, then 4, then 6, then 8 and 10. These are the first 5 even numbers. And first 5 odd numbers, we all know that odd number starts from 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay. These are the first 5 even numbers and these are the first 5 odd numbers. Even numbers are the multiples of 2 and odd numbers are not the multiples of 2. I had said find the greatest prime number which is less than 41. Find the greatest prime number which is less than 41, students. You have to memorize this question that 37 is the greatest prime number which is less than 41. Okay, this is your answer, 37. Now the question is 59 is a prime number or not? So students, yes, 59 is a prime number. Or here one true false is there in question number 10. 9 is a factor of 972. So yes, 9 is a factor of 972. It's a true statement. Okay, 9 is a factor, means in the table of 9, 972 comes. Okay, students, 972 comes 108. Now these questions are you can see the answers here. Okay. Now we will jump into the next questions of do as directed 1 marks each. So students, here first see the question number 11 of do as directed 1 mark each. The question number 11 says that you have to write the fraction when denominator is 7. You all know that here denominator is 7. Now numerator is 2 less than denominator, means here numerator is 2 less than denominator. That means numerator is 5 students, because numerator is 2 less than denominator. Numerator is 2 less than denominator here, which is 5. So here fraction will be, your fraction will be numerator by denominator. What is numerator here? 5 and denominator is 7. Your answer is 5 by 7, students. Now choose the smaller fraction from the following. Here are 2 fractions are given. Which is the smaller fraction here? So you all know that here numerators are equal and the fraction with smallest denominator is the greatest. smaller denominator is the greater. So the smaller denominator is 7, smallest, the fraction which the greater denominator is the smaller. So 5 by 9 will be the smaller fraction. 5 by 9 will be the smaller fraction. Now 21 by 10 you have to write in the form of mixed fraction. So simply this 2 will be here and 1 by 10. You can write it as, because 10 multiplied by 2 is 20 plus 1, 21. Okay, you can simply write this as 2 upon 1 by 10. Okay, so express 5 upon 2 by 3 as improper fraction. Simply multiply this. 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2, 17. 17 by 3 will be the answer. Simply you have to multiply this, multiply, and this you have to plus. Okay. Express 9 upon 24 by 100 as decimal. So first of all you have to express this mixed form in the form of improper. So 100 into 9 you have to multiply this, then plus this. Okay. So 900 plus 24 will be 924 by 100. And I know that there is 20, so before 2.2 number I will put the point. 9.24 will be our decimal form, students. Here, to change this improper fraction as mixed fraction, if you can't write answers directly, you can just divide 21 by 10. You can just divide 21 by 10. You will get 10 2s are 20. The remainder will be 1. Just write the divisor. Here divisor is 10. Just write the quotient. The quotient is 2. Just write the remainder. The remainder is 1. And your mixed form will be quotient upon remainder by divisor. So what is quotient? They are 2. What is remainder? They are 1. And what is divisor? They are 10. This will be your form. So just remember this, quotient upon remainder by divisor, and you can just change this improper form to the mixed form using this form, quotient upon remainder by divisor, students. So till question number 17 we had completed. More questions are there, more 8 questions are there. From that 8 questions we will pick up some 4-5 questions which are very important and maybe trouble you in your practice session. Okay. So students, let's do the last 5 questions of do as directed 1 marks each. Next week we will send the video of do as directed 2 marks each and do as directed 3 marks each. Okay. So express 2.874 3.9 as like decimal. Like decimal students हम जानते हैं कि डेसिमल पार्ट में नंबर ऑफ डिजिट सेम होने चाहिए, लेकिन बेटा ये दोनों के अलग अलग है. इसके 3 है, इसके 2 ही है, इसके 1, इसके 3 है. So we can write here, we can write 3.9 as 3.900. So 2.874 and 3.900 are like decimal, simple. ओके, जिसमें डेसिमल पार्ट में डिजिट्स कम है उसमें लास्ट में आप 0 ऐड कर दो ऐसे, तो ये 3 डिजिट्स हो गए, ये भी 3 हो गए लाइक डेसिमल्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, now ratio of 80 and 840, we all know that ratio we can write in the form of fraction. After that we have a big work to reduce this fraction. Then we can observe that these both fractions are coming in the same table of 80, and 80 will divide 80 one time and 80 will divide 240 3 times, and we can write this fraction further in the form of ratio. This will be our answer, 1:3. Okay, so first of all you write this ratio in the form of fraction, then reduce this fraction to the simplest form, then further write this fraction in the ratio form. This will be your final answer. Now express this expanded form of decimal to a decimal number. So here 200 plus 5, we all know that 200 plus 5 is 205. Now here 10th, 100 and 1000 places there, so we'll put a point here. Now we will write 4, 6 and 8, and this is our decimal number 205.468. Okay students, 205.468. Express 6.067 as fraction. 6.067 as fraction, we can write it as, we all know that student, 3 numbers is there, we can write 6067 by 1000 because 3 numbers is there. Forget the point and add 3 zeros here. Okay, now we have to change 72 by 1000. It is a fractional form to the decimal. आपको चेंज करना है तो आपको पता है यहाँ पर 3 नंबर है, आपको 3 नंबर के आगे पॉइंट लगाना है, लेकिन स्टूडेंट यहाँ सिर्फ 2 ही नंबर है तो आप 0 लोगे यहाँ, तो 1 2 3 नंबर के आगे आपका पॉइंट लग गया, यहाँ पर आपका होल पार्ट 0 है, तो आप इस तरीके से डेसिमल में चेंज कर सकते हो। ओके, और इस तरीके से इसको फ्रैक्शन में, क्योंकि पॉइंट के बाद कितना था 3, तो जस्ट फॉरवर्ड द पॉइंट एंड ऐड 1000 in the denominator students. Okay, this is the, now this video is going to be completed here. Okay, all the questions of do as directed 1 mark each that can trouble you in your practice session, I had explained in 2 videos. We had completed our MCQ and fill in the blanks, and the do as directed question number 1 mark type each is completed. Now in the next week we will discuss upon 2 marks and 3 marks questions. Till that, thank you so much. We will meet next week.